High-ender. Thank you.
I looked in starlight places, but you're nowhere to be found. You weren't where the roses bloom. I'll spend my whole life waiting, if that's what I need to do, because it's you, and I'll wait for you. You weren't in a crowded hallway where the pretty people play. You weren't out dancing in the rain. You weren't around the corner. You weren't coming into view. But it's you, so I'll wait for you. And if only I knew you, then I might get to know you. And if I haven't been looking, then I'd be the one to blame. But if I knew it, honey, I would shout your name. I spent my whole life waiting, like I guess I'm made to do. I hope that you've been waiting too. I'm spinning round in circles, everywhere I haven't found, pointing at you, you know I'll wait for you.
frick! Ow, I'm good. Ah. Oh man. Ow.